Well, we will now start with the bar chart. Now, how to do that? We will just show you live. Okay. So here we have created the X data. So we have the X data over here, and here we have created the Y data. So we already have the Y data over here. Now we just need to make the plot. So let's start. We are plotting the data. Now for plotting, first we need to create the figure and the axis. So figure and axis will hereby go by plt dot subplots. Then we have this feature or the function, that is bar. So when we use that, we use x comma y. Now remember that we can also set the width of it, so making sure that we are setting the width as 1. Okay, we have other parameters like edge color, so we will set the edge color as black. We will set the edge color as black. And we will select the line width equals to 0.7. Now we need to set the x lim and y lim, so let's just start with x dot set, and we can go with x lim equals, so here let's make it from 0 to 8. Then let's do the x ticks and the y. Let's go for the x ticks. Yeah. Okay. So let's go for the x ticks. Now, what will x tick take? Let's make it np dot arrange. Let's make it from 1 to 8. Okay. From 1 to 8, we'll go for the x ticks. Oh, sorry. 1, 8. Now let's go for the y lim. Y lim, we have it from 0, 8, and then this is the y lim end. And now, okay, so here the bracket will be here. There is one extra bracket coming over here for that reason. Okay, so y lim is done, and we now need for the y ticks. It would have been better if I have put all the features in the next line, all the parameters. So let me just do that, putting all the parameters in separate lines, so it is better for you to understand. So y ticks, it will become dot np dot arrange 1, 8. Okay, so now we just need to show it. pld dot show. Okay, so now you can see what is it, module numpy has no attribute arrange. Okay, so a small mistake here. I should have given it a single r. It's a double r. Okay, well, you can see now you can change the line width. Let's make it 0.8 or 0.9. Let's see what the difference is. So you see, line width, it become more strong. Okay, and also the black edge color is black. You can see it's a black color. You can change it to any other color. Let's say I will change it to green. You can see that the edge line is green, but black is more suitable for understanding. So let's keep it black. Okay, you can play around with the values, and you can see what suits the best for you.